Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about IObit Software Updater Pro, a simple tool that helps you update all your computer programs with just one click. Let's see how it works, what it offers, and why it's helpful for every PC user. Let's get started. First of all, what is IObit Software Updater Pro? IObit Software Updater Pro is a smart program that keeps your computer software up to date automatically. You don't have to search for updates or visit websites one by one. This tool checks which apps are old and updates them safely to the latest version. It helps your PC stay fast, secure, and bug-free. Now, let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of IObit Software Updater Pro. One-click update. Update all your old programs easily. Safe and trusted updates. All updates come from official sources. Automatic updates. Set a schedule and it updates everything for you. Large app list. Supports hundreds of popular apps and tools. Recommended software. Helps you install useful apps in one place. Silent mode. Updates run in the background without disturbing you. So, who can benefit most from IObit Software Updater? IObit Software Updater is great for anyone who uses a PC every day. It's perfect for students, office users, gamers, and home users who want their apps updated automatically without wasting time searching for new versions. Now, one of the most common questions is IObit Software Updater is safe to use? Yes, IObit Software Updater is completely safe. It's made by IObit, a trusted company known for PC care software. The updates are verified and clean. No ads, no viruses, and no unwanted programs. Now, how to use it? Using IObit Software Updater is very simple. Just follow these steps. Download and install IObit Software Updater Pro. Open it. It will scan your PC and show which apps need updates. Click Update Now to update them all together. You can also turn on Auto Update to let the program do it automatically. That's it. Your software will always stay updated and secure. Now, if you want to get all premium features like automatic updates and full access, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best website, ordersoftwarekeys.com. Here you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. So that's all about IObit Software Updater Pro. It's a simple and safe way to keep your PC up to date. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.